This film is part of the research puzzle series produced by the academic librarians at USW. Each one breaks down a different part of the research process to help you put the pieces together. If you'd like to explore more parts of the research puzzle, check out the other films in the series. And if you need any help, just get in touch. We're here to support you.
What is Google Scholar and how can it help you become a competent searcher? This video is about understanding what Google Scholar is and how it can be used for research. Other videos in the series will show you how to search Google Scholar effectively and demonstrate how to link Google Scholar to USW's search engine called Find It. When you're starting academic research, it can be hard to know where to start. Google Scholar is one tool you can use, but what is it and how should you use it? Broadly speaking, Google Scholar is an academic version of Google. Instead of searching everything on the web, like blogs, news, or shopping sites, it focuses on scholarly content. That means it searches things like academic journal indexes, when they are freely available online, and university research repositories. It's also an invitation-based search engine, which means publishers have to ask for their content to be included in the search. Let's talk about what makes Google Scholar useful, especially at the early stages of your research. It's easy to use. The interface is just like regular Google, so it feels familiar and intuitive, allowing for easy keyword searching. It casts a wide net. It picks up grey literature, that's useful content outside traditional publishing, like government reports, working papers, patents, and clinical guidelines. It connects ideas. You can quickly discover related articles and even see who has cited a paper, which helps trace the scholarly conversation. It helps build better searches. It suggests search terms to you via related searches links. These search terms can introduce new keywords and concepts you might not have considered. It links to your library. It can easily be linked to Find It. So if something you find when searching Scholar is available via Find It, it will be flagged for easy access. But like any tool, Google Scholar has its limitations, and understanding them is part of becoming a competent researcher. It's huge but not refined. There's no way to limit results by peer review, methodology, or subject headings like you can with subscription databases. It's not fully transparent. You can't see exactly what's in it. You can see a list of the top 100 ranked journals indexed in Scholar, but not the entire contents list, presumably as it's massive and expanding daily. That makes it difficult to use for systematic reviews or comprehensive searches. It's uneven across subjects. Some disciplines are better covered than others, it depends on which publishers have opted in. And it's not always accurate. The search isn't as careful as curated subscription databases. Results are generally scholarly, but strange or irrelevant items can still appear. You'll need to critically evaluate what you find. So when should you use it? Google Scholar is best used as a supplement to information you have discovered in books and via Find It and the journal databases that USW subscribes to. Then use Google Scholar to broaden your perspective, pick up grey literature, and trace citations. Used thoughtfully, Google Scholar can help you discover connections, uncover overlooked sources, and develop a broader understanding of your research topic. If you're planning to use Google Scholar, make sure to set up your library links so you can access full-text resources through your institution. And remember, your academic librarian is here to offer support with Google Scholar or any other searching queries. I hope you found this film useful. To find out more about solving the research puzzle, please watch the other films in this series, and if you need any help, get in touch with your academic librarian. Thanks for watching.